Digestive discomfort is not random. When digestion feels urgent, sensitive, or out of control, it's often a sign that the body is overwhelmed. Stress, irregular eating, and constant pressure can push the digestive system out of balance. But your body is not broken. It's responding to overload. That's why I created the Digestive Reset Protocol. 72 hours. A gentle, structured reset designed to calm digestion, restore rhythm, and support gut balance naturally. This is not a detox. It's not a medical treatment. And it's not an extreme cleanse. It's a simple, respectful approach that helps reduce digestive stress and supports the nervous system. In just 72 hours, you'll learn how to create the conditions your digestion needs to regulate itself. If your digestion feels overwhelmed, this reset is your starting point. Start your Digestive Reset Protocol today.